Hello, my name is Nylander and I deliver the self-build course here at the NSBRC. The course is aimed at anyone wanting to embark on a self-build journey. Whether you're just starting out or wishing to have a refresher, there is something for everyone. Over the 3 days, we have a look at an overview of the aspects you're likely to encounter during your self-build journey. On day one, we start with the fundamentals, the budgeting, finding land, getting your designs, and we take a look at building systems, which includes a walk through this education zone. Here you can see real life models of the sort of details you will find on your building. Day two will take you through a journey from getting your planning to building regs, tendering and contracting with builders, onto site and the management of the on-site activities. Day three is all about the green stuff, eco-consideration and internal services. We'll give you the knowledge that you need to run your projects smoothly. No jargon, no sales, just good, honest advice.